Switching games every time there's a white monkey in Gorilla Tag.
Alright, so the goal of this video is to survive at least 5 minutes in one game, okay? So the timer starts in 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Have to constantly keep changing lobby so we don't gotta worry. I think for this challenge we're just gonna have to keep back and forth. No! The next game is Scary Baboon, okay? And basically I feel like we might have a higher chance in here of finding a white monkey, but so have a higher chance of winning too. So I don't think there are any white monkeys in here. Probably not. But
you can't even get me. That's crazy.
let's go grab a.
Bro, it's so weird. Oh my god.
Let's go to fight back and let's grab a stick. Okay, we're gonna have a stick that we can use to protect ourselves. Okay, let's go. I kind of forgot how loud these lobbies were. But here we go. Oh my goodness! Blink, 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 blink.
Yeah, you bitch.
Oh. Okay, what is this? Okay. Is that gray or white?
Nigga, no one's here. No, I ain't even here.
I need to figure out what does white look like. No, there's multiple white monkeys.
Hey, if you're enjoying the video so far, please like and subscribe. Remember, we're so close to 300 subscribers, and whenever we get to 300 subscribers, I will be jumping in an ice bath. So without wasting any more time, let's get back to the video.
Okay, so now the game is Animal Rivals. I feel like there are probably going to be some some white monkeys in here. I just know it because, you know, it's a pretty common color and people don't really care about their colors in this game, but yeah. Also, comment down below which game do you think I should start making more videos. Make sure you also like and subscribe. Let's see. I feel like there's not gonna be any white monkeys in here. I just got a feeling. Okay, so let's just go to the back rooms.
Gorilla, where's the exit?
There's actual back rooms in here. Okay, I think we gotta collect the tape.
Videotape.
What? Is it tape? So far, we haven't seen anybody wearing white at all. But I feel like we're gonna have a really good chance. So, can you grab onto these?
Go in there.
Found? Right there. Press.
How do I leave?
Oh, it's back. Okay. I want to. Oh, we've almost reached. Wait, is that white? That's not white. Let's go. Okay. We have a really high chance of getting this done inside of here. Okay. Now, let's just go into the actual back room. Like the actual back room map where we fight. Okay, yeah, we definitely have a really high chance of winning. There might be somebody in here that No white monkeys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yo, hello, doofus.
This sounds
Hey, God,
racist.
doofus. Oh, shit.
Okay.
Hey, doofus. Oh, you're my teammate. Oh, get him.
Oh
Get
my
him.
goodness, bro.
I died. I'm gonna change my.
I don't even care if I die. I just care about getting this challenge done. Let's go.
Get the blicky
You
out.
have to spend at least.
Yo, where's my... Yo, brother. Die.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
I got him low.
I gotta check the time after.
Oh, where's Victor? Got him. I got him.
Yes!
I got him.
Wait, no. Wait, because we also have to wait. We also have to wait like a few seconds. Okay. We beat the challenge, guys. We beat the challenge. Wait, is there a camera mod in here at all? I don't think there's a camera mod. But guys, guess what? We did it.
My knobs.
We did it.
Fuck around you.
Wait, they have a live camera mod. Okay. Guys, we actually completed the challenge. No white monkeys at all. No white monkeys at all. Okay. I know that sounds kind of racist, but listen.
Go bang bang.
This was just a video idea. Okay, yeah.
We go.
That's basically all for today's video. Comment down below which game you think I should start playing more. And yeah, that's gonna be in there for the video. Peace.